everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous and very beautiful keychain holder or key holder with the sculpture painting technique. I will show you how to make this beautiful red color flower using sculpture paste and also how to make this beautiful brick background and the center piece. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking this beautiful MDF base which is 12 by 6 inches, and on backside this is already connected with the knobs which is helpful to hang it. And this base I got from Anu Arts from Indore. So if you want the same MDF bases, you can connect with her. I have given the details in description box, you can check there. Now here I am taking this beautiful brick stencil and crackle paste by Little Birdie and just applying the paste over the stencil to create the brick background. Here I am using my palette knife to spread the paste evenly. Make nice thin layer all over the surface, don't leave the corners. Then slowly I am pulling the stencil, and similarly I am going to repeat the pattern on right side of the board. So this is done. I have kept the center part as it is because I am going to add some other design in the center, so we don't need to stencil this. Now allow to dry completely for a few hours. Till that time I am going to use some more MDF bases. This is also from Anu Arts and Craft Supplies from Indore, and I am going to assemble everything like this. This is the Maharaja cutout which will come on oval shape and the beautiful filigree oval design. So this filigree oval design I am going to color with gold acrylic color. You can also use gold chalk paint. Like this. Then on this oval cutout I am coloring with black chalk paint, and then I am coloring the Maharaja who is welcoming everyone. So starting with the pagdi, I am taking red, yellow and blue chalk paints. Also, I have colored the face using peach color, and now I am coloring moustache using dark grey chalk paint. So the coloring is done. Now I'm taking my black CD marker and highlighting all the design like this. It will enhance the beauty of this little more. Now it's time to assemble everything. So on the edge of this oval design, I'm adding little glue and sticking with the filigree base. And then on top of this I am adding Maharaja cutout. Then taking back my base and it's completely dried, can you see the crackled effect inside this stenciled portion? And now it's time to color the base as well. So here I'm taking dark brown and yellow color chalk paints and doing little shading work. So the coloring is done. I have just highlighted the center part with yellow, and now I am adding this beautiful design exactly in the center. Then I am applying the varnish on each and every part so that it will be the dust proof, waterproof, and you can clean it easily with wet or damp cloth. And the base is ready. Now it's time to do the sculpture painting work. So here I am taking this beautiful red sculpture paste by Little Birdie called Red Velvet, and I have taken little amount of the sculpture paste on the surface. Here I am taking the plastic base and using the small size spatula or palette knife I am going to do the sculpture painting. So using the bigger spatula I am just spreading the paste evenly on the surface, making a thin layer of the paste so that we can take the clay on small palette knife to make the petals. Now taking back my board, and on left side of this I am going to arrange all my pattern. So to start with, I am just adding little glue on the portion on which I am going to make my first flower. Then taking the clay and pulling the clay little bit from the right side of the palette knife like this, drag it on the base. Similarly pulling it from the left side of the palette knife and taking some more clay to create the petal. then attaching it on the right side of the base. You can see the beautiful lines of the clay on back side of the petal like this. So pretty. So attach the next petal, and in the same way I am going to just increase the size of the flower. Then in the center part of the flower I am adding little piece of clay and putting some black color thread pollens inside this, just tucking it inside the clay. And then I am going to cover this also using some more clay. Just hold your petal like this to cover it from the front part. So the first flower is ready. Similarly, I am going to make one more flower on the top. So here I have added one more small flower and one bud. Now it's time to do some leaf work. So here I am taking the sap green sculpture paste by Little Birdie. I have already taken it and spreaded it on the surface. So again I am taking my small size palette knife, taking the clay on both sides like this, and then just clear the front part like this and drag your palette knife on the surface to create the leaf shape. Allow it to dry for a few minutes. Till that time I am making the stems. So just taking little bit of clay on my palm and rolling it to create the pipe kind of shape. Add little glue wherever you want to add the stems, and then taking small amounts, making pipes and adding the stems. Like this, then taking the leaves which are semi-dried and sticking it wherever required. It's looking very beautiful after adding green color. Adding one more leaf behind the flower. And the beautiful composition is ready. It's looking very attractive, isn't it? Now on the edge of this oval design I am adding 5 mm half cut pearls. And this is done. Now I'm just adding little gold wax using my fingers on this stenciled part to highlight the base little more. And then at the end I am adding these wooden knobs so that you can hang your keys very easily. I have colored these knobs using gold acrylic color. These knobs are also available with Anu Arts, so you can contact her, and these are attached nicely. And the beautiful and very gorgeous key holder with the sculpture painting technique is ready. You can make it in different color combinations. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I'm waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.